Your home's electrical system is protected by a series of circuit breakers that shut down or trip if the system is being overloaded. Although a power surge from outside the home can cause a breaker to trip, the most common cause is using too many appliances on the same circuit. If power goes off in an area of your home, go to your service panel and find the breaker that serves the affected area. Push it all the way to the off position, and then back on. If the breaker immediately trips again, try unplugging a few appliances in that area. And if that doesn't help and you're under warranty, contact us for service. If your home is out of warranty, contact a licensed electrical contractor for service. Now, there's also another system that can cause an electrical interruption. It's your ground fault circuit interrupters, also known as GFCI or GFI outlets. These outlets are intended to provide extra safety where water is present. You'll find them in the kitchen, baths, garage, utility room, or on the exterior of your home. Because of how they're installed, one GFI may control several outlets in a run. If power is off in one of these areas and you've checked the service panel and no breakers are tripped, test and reset the GFI by pushing the button marked T or test, which will activate the reset button. Push R to reset the outlet. That should get you taken care of. GFIs are installed in garages, so plugging refrigerators or freezers into them is not recommended, as a tripped GFI will shut off power to the appliance, spoiling your food. Another source for electrical interruption is arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFIs. These circuits are located at the junction box and have the ability to detect if the cord plugged into it is defective. If your outlet is continually tripping, try a different appliance with a different cord. If you've installed solar panels on your home, the only maintenance you'll need to do is to rinse them off with water once a month, either in the morning or evening when the panels are cool. Now, if you've had rain during that time, the rain does it for you. If you can't spray your panels from the ground with a garden hose, we do not recommend doing this from a ladder or by getting up on your roof. Instead, check with your solar panel installer about any service programs that they may offer. If your home has switched outlets, that means an outlet is controlled by a wall switch. This allows you to turn fixtures on and off from one location. Check the outlets against the room's light switch before plugging any items that need to stay on all the time, such as a clock or cordless phone. Oftentimes, the outlet is turned upside down to help you locate it. Smoke and CO2 detectors are wired into your electrical system and should be tested monthly by pressing the button on the unit. If the alarm sounds, they're working. If not, check the breaker at the service panel to make sure that there is power. During a power failure, they'll continue to work on backup batteries. When these batteries need to be changed, the system will notify you by giving off a high-pitched chirping sound. You may wish to add ceiling fans in your home, but they can't be hung everywhere. For some of you, this was a structural option that you selected at contract. If you didn't have a chance to do this, you'll need to know which ceiling boxes have been configured to hold the added weight of a fan. Regular ceiling outlets cannot be used. If you choose to do this, we highly recommend that you hire a licensed electrician.